go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video. As you can already tell by the title, you already know what this video is going to be about. How to get waves fast. Fastest way possible to get waves. I'm going to try to help some of y'all out. This video is mainly for beginners. If you already got waves, you probably already know all this stuff already. But if you're a beginner, this video is definitely for you. So I hope you watch, take notes, pay attention. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, you guys, so number one on the fastest way to get waves. One thing I realized is when you wash in style, you progress even faster. And not just 10-minute washing styles, but almost 30 to 45-minute washing styles. Probably even an hour. When you really do a brush session while your hair is wet, you got the shampoo, and you really move your hair around as you want it to. You feel me? You break forks in that stage, you shift your waves better, you lay your hair down better. Washing style is just the overall best way and fastest way possible to even get your waves to come in, man. So yeah, I would definitely tell you guys to wash in style twice a week. Not even once a week, twice. Because if you wash in style twice a week, it's gonna come in real fast. If you're a coarse hair wave or medium hair wave, don't wash in style every day. This is bad for you. If you don't know why washing in style every day is bad for you, watch my recent videos. Alright, so this next one is pure hard work. Alright, you have to do 2 brush sessions every single day. Every single day, no days off. 30 days straight, 90 days straight, whatever, however long it takes for your waves to come in. 2 brush sessions every single day. That's definitely gonna help you get your waves in fast. Now, this next one, I know a lot of you are not gonna really agree with me on this, but yeah, you definitely gotta do it. You gotta always keep your hair laid in order to maintain progress. That means you gotta always have your do-rag on. A lot of people say, oh, you get bald, you lose hair, this and that. You gotta let your hair breathe. Man, I don't care. I'm trying to be elite. I always have my do-rag on, always have my hair laid. And that's what you need to do to save progress and not lose it. You don't want to put in a brush session in and just go out and do whatever you feel like you need to do without, you know, having your do-rag on and just lose all that progress that you done put in your hair this morning. You feel me? This is not worth it. So always keep your do-rag on if you want to get your waves to come in fast. This next one, everybody knows this next one. Everybody knows this next one because everybody talking about it. I do it all the time, and that's wolfing. Wolfing keeps your hair at a length that is able to curl up at. If you don't wolf, you're not gonna get waves. I mean, at least you're not gonna get the waves that you want. Because when you wolf, that's when you really do whatever you really want to your hair. You wanna get 360s, you could get your hair going that direction. You wanna get 720, you get your hair going that direction. But if you don't have a lot of hair, your hair is not gonna be able to curl up as much as you want, or even at all. Alright, so wolfing is very important. Wolfing is best for getting waves fast, and also it's best to do washing styles while you're wolfing. So washing styles and wolfing put together, waves in like a week. To be honest, man, if you do washing styles and wolf in a week, you're gonna see progress, man. Wolfing is definitely one of the main keys to getting your 360 waves to come in, 720s, 540s to come in super fast. Alright, so this last one on the list, you gotta keep your hair moisturized. Moisturize your hair to keep the texture looking healthy, to keep your hair looking healthy. You know, you don't wanna have waves and then go out unragged and your hair all dried up, you feel me? Keep your hair moisturized. Get your 26 King Wavy butters, moisturizers, oils, all 26 King Wavy essentials. Link is down in the description below. Click that link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Like I already said in the intro, use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off your brushes, your do-rags, your velvets, and use the discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off your oils, your moisturizers, and your butters. Alright, so yeah, that's it for this video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. Smash, no mercy. Smash that subscribe button. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm out of here. Peace.